Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want us to talk about a drop-based drop. If you did not subscribe on my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe so that you don't miss anything that I'm going to upload. Okay, what is a drop-based drop? A drop-based drop is a setup that makes the price to pause for, I'm not sure how long it will pause, but it will pause for about 3 to 4 hours. Sometimes it happens, it takes a day, but at the end of the day the price is going down, but you will see opposing candlesticks on the downtrend. So now let's see how it looks like. Here is the market. The market is going down. Usually it happens when the market moved I don't know how many pips, but it doesn't happen in the beginning of the trend. Then now let's say maybe the market is here. What is it that you're going to see? You will see opposing candlesticks. That's where people make a lot of mistakes. They will see opposing candlesticks like this, then they will think, you know what, yeah, now the price is buying, then they will buy. Sometimes it can even go a bit higher like this. You see, people who don't have experience of trading, they'll be like, no, you know what, it's time to buy now, the price is going up, I'm buying. You see, then you will see something like this. Then you ask yourself, how is that now? Why is that happening? Isn't it that the price was going up? No, the price just paused here for a few hours. I can say the price paused here for a few hours. There's a video I made before, and I did an example of a speed hump. When you're driving, you have to slow down and jump the hump, then you back to driving. You know, like I made an example of the Vrupa drivers. I'm not sure if you still recall that, but I'll put the link on the description to that video. So now, once you notice this, you know that the price is going to continue according to its direction. So now, how to use this one to your advantage, or how to sell this one? When you see that the price is ranging like this, it's either you wait for the price to get here, then you sell it from here, then you put your stop loss above. You see, or you can even sell it here and put your stop loss above. You still have a chance to sell anyway, but make sure that you sell within the box that I made here. Then after that, you'll see the price will shoot down. But now remember, as I said before, the important part is on your left. So whatever that happened on your left will control what's going to happen on this side. So now, since I explained this, let's go straight to the chart and see how it looks like. This one is the simplest, guys. It's the simplest. Let's see. Okay, I have the first one. Look at this. Look at this. The price is going down here. You see, it gets here, then boom, a buying candle up. I'm on H4. If you go to 1 hour, we might have 4 candles here. If you go to daily, you won't have any candle here. So it depends which time frame are you using. Okay, then what do we have now? We're selling again. The price went down. How is that? Isn't it that the price was going up and I was supposed to buy? Or someone already bought there and now they are out of the trade. They didn't even make it because they don't understand the movement of the price. So now let's go and check. Let's go and check. Yeah, easy. You see, this is the box I was talking about. It's either you sell here It's either you sell here or somewhere here or even above here. But now the challenge is you won't know where the price is going to turn here. But then another reason that will help you to identify where the price is going to turn is on your left, going to smaller time frames. So now in this situation, let's say maybe you open your order here, you put your stop loss above, you relax, the price will go down eventually. And what happened after that? If you were to check, look at the price movement, it went all the way until here. That's how many days. Between 6 August until 23 August, how many days? You count. Okay, let's go and look for another one. By the way, there's a drop based drop and a rally based rally. I'll make my next video will be about a rally based rally. Now we focus on a drop based drop, because I don't want to confuse you explaining two things at the same time. There's a difference between a drop based drop and a rally based rally and a PCP. But if you don't know, you'll think no, it's the same thing. It's not the same thing. Look at this. Look at this. By the way, if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to like and subscribe so that you don't miss anything that I'm going to upload. Look at this. The price went down like this with 2 candlesticks on H4. You go to 1 hour, that's 8 candles. Look at this. 1 opposing candle. Sorry, one opposing candle. The price continue. The price paused for a while here before it continued going down. You see? Here's another one. Look at this one. The price was going down. Then what happened? 1 opposing candle opposing the direction of the market. Then you'll think, no, the price is going up, I'm going to buy, you buy, then the price, boom, it goes down. I'm 100% sure that most of the beginners are familiar with this. They are always losing because of they don't know how is this happening, how is this forming. Look at this. Look at this. It's simple, guys. Very, very simple. Look at this. How do you trade this one? I would do like this. You buy anywhere here within the box, then you put your stop loss above. You just wait until the price gets here. How do you know that the price is going to turn? Use your left. Use your left. Your left will tell you where the price is going to turn. Or if you don't have anything on your left, yeah, but most of the time when the price is going down, you use your left hand side. If it's the same thing, if the price is going up, you use your left hand side. Like for instance, see, the price is going up now, it turned here, it turned here because of this. The price is going up, it turned here because of this. The price is going up, it turned here to test this because of this. You understand? There's a reason for whatever that is happening in the market. You must always use your left hand side to see what's going to happen in the future. By doing this, you'll always be on the right track. Let's look for another one. Sorry about that, guys, I have sinus. Let's go and see another one. But now I think you have a little bit of an understanding how a drop base drop looks like. This is a drop base drop. See, drop base drop. The price will pause for a minute, then it continue for hours instead. Don't forget to like and subscribe. On my next video, I'll be talking about rally base rally. Don't miss it.